Every time you touch the screen on your Canon camera, it makes a beep. It gets annoying fast, especially when you're filming or shooting in quiet places. But turning it off takes just a few seconds. Let's turn it off right now. First, turn on your Canon camera. Then press the menu button. Now select beep under the image quality option. Now click on it. After that, you will see 3 options right here, like enable, touch to mute, and disable. To specifically turn off the touch screen beep while potentially keeping other beeps, you need to choose touch to mute. Select it, then click the set button, and it's done. Now your camera should no longer beep when you touch the LCD screen. And that's it. This is how you can turn off the beep sound by touching on Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.